Hello, and welcome to MultiSensor's one-stop digital shop for all asset reliability sensors and solutions. You can now shop predictive maintenance sensors, software, and inspection services all in one place. I'm Mike Primsky, the Director of Sensors for ICI Infrared Cameras, also under the parent company of MSAI. Taking you through the website, some of our thermal solutions that we offer and resell are thermal camera cores, fixed thermal cameras, handheld cameras, accessory and components, as well as a lot of top-selling solutions that we advertise here. I'm excited to announce over the past couple of months we have created many great relationships with resellers that are industry tie-ins such as LightPath, Teledyne FLIR, Iris Windows, Fotric for all your fixed mounted needs, OEM cameras for accessories, as well as the two leading companies in security thermal cameras, Access Communications and Hanwha Vision America. Not only do we offer cameras for sale on our website, but we also have custom predictive maintenance software that is sensor agnostic to bring it all together. Our software is for those looking to automate fault detection and maintenance workflows for optimization. It gives you the ability to monitor across multiple sites using multiple sensors to detect anomalies at the earliest stage and alert your team to when issues arise. It's a game changer for reducing downtime, protecting your critical assets, and enhancing your team's safety. We also offer a new program which is attached to our MSAI services side. We have technicians that could come out on site to do acoustic leak detection inspections or infrared imaging inspections, which all falls under the NFPA 70B compliant standards. Now, if you guys have any questions or want to contact us directly, please fill out this form or get in contact with me directly. And we look forward to doing business with you in the future. Thank you.